what is up, everyone? Welcome back. My name's Michelle, and today I'm going to be going over an update here for Cardano. So Cardano right now is trading at 36.41, 24-hour volume. We are down 37%, and market cap we are down 0.85%. So heading over to our chart here, again, everything else is down. Bitcoin is down, Ethereum is down, and we're going to see a few things with different altcoins. But if we take a look here on Cardano, we do have an opportunity for the price to come up. And the reason why I do see that is a few indicators here that I have. First off is our RSI. We are considered to be oversold here. Now, if we can take a look here, the previous candlestick itself has initiated a buying opportunity. However, the volume itself needs to pick up. If we take a look at the volume, coming down was pretty easy as there was a lot of selling pressure in the bodies of these candlesticks, and the wick itself showed a lot of selling pressure. But not only that, the gradual momentum from our MACD indicator was growing very, very strong here. As we can see, a majority of these bars was escalating as the price of the RSI was coming down, and the price itself was slicing through a lot of our fib charts itself. So as we can see here, there was a crossover of our MACD indicator that does show a buying opportunity, but with not enough volume, we may not come up and retest our 61% of our fib, which we have two fibs crossing over, which essentially shows us a possible area of interest at 37 cents. So if the price again and the volume itself does continue to pick up, this area may be an area of high confluence, which means an area of interest. The price may react either breaking through this area of resistance or actually getting rejected from this area of resistance. As we know, there was a buying opportunity. It's only the matter of fact or waiting around to see if there is going to be possible big whales pushing the price as much as they can to ultimately break through this. Now, as we can see, the price itself is considered to be oversold, and we are waiting for a lot of people to come buy into Cardano and push the price as we want to the 37 cents here. As we can see too in our volume indicator, our volume profile off to the side that measures volume on dollar amounts, there's really not a lot of activity at this number itself. And if we want for Cardano to come out of this bear market, we essentially need to come back up to our 20 moving average here. Now, one of the plus things that we can see at this very downtrend is our MACD indicator. Now, our MACD indicator, again, measures momentum. As we can see here, we had huge bars or histograms showing us the momentum. Having a light bar, which is good. However, the size itself is still quite concerning. If we can have these two lines come together, it is going to initiate smaller bars, smaller momentums, and then being more optimistic going into the green here. As soon as it crosses over to the green, then we can be able to see some key targets for resistance for Cardano to break. If we go into immediate short term here, we can see again more refined of our candlesticks. In the 4-hour term, we can see prices consolidated to resistance and coming down to an area of support. So what we may experience too, as we see the channels of our Bollinger Bands narrowing, lower volatility, the price is going to move fairly slow here. I was going to say quickly, but we're not looking for a quick here. It's going to move fairly very slow. So what we are going to anticipate for Cardano is coming down to an area of support, resistance, support, until we see that initial pinch of our Bollinger Band signaling that there is going to be a breakout, either an uptrend or a downtrend. And when we see that pinch of the Bollinger Bands react, we want to find where the price is. Is it going to be closer to our 20 moving average, or is it going to be further from the 20 moving average? Because if it is going to retest our 20 moving average and breaks above it, it is essentially going to be breaking out in an uptrend. If it does not get closer to the 20 moving average and actually get rejected down, then we know the breakout itself is going to be bearish, and we are most likely going to come down to the 34.85. So that is kind of my updates here. We do see the RSI here being considered or going to be considered as oversold, and there could be a buying opportunity, but we are most likely going to come up to area of resistance, coming down to an area of support in this consolidation phase until we see that initial breakout. And again, hopefully the volume does pick up for Cardano so we can be able to close about that 20 moving average. So let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button for me. Also subscribe if you are new to my channel, but I'll see you next time. Bye.